Hi guys, I have another Tiny Tidy Tuesday for you. This is episode 28. Hopefully I can motivate you to do a tiny tidy. I am doing 3 procrastination tasks and a quick clean for you. If you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle and this is my everyday wife life. Hey, I am in desperate need of cleaning out my purse, and yes, you've seen me clean out my purse in another video. I don't know. I don't keep my purse organized. There's receipts shoved in there. Hubby and I have been going to Home Depot and Lowe's and Old Time Pottery to buy stuff for the pool and patio. He's been on vacation, so we're having a little staycation, doing some things. And anyway, whatever. So it's a mess. And I bought my new self a purse, and let's clean this out. Look at this ridiculousness that's coming out of this purse. And yeah, there are quite a few candy wrappers in there because you know what? A girl needs some chocolate. So I thought I would treat myself to a new purse. I think I've had this one for a couple of years and it's kind of dirty. So yeah, it's a pre-birthday present. In September is my birthday, and I usually do like a little birthday month videos for the month, like self-care. Maybe I'll do that again this year. Let me know in the comments below if you're interested. Anyway, I got this off of Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. If you want to click on any links down below that you see anything in this video, the purse will be linked down in the description if you are interested. It is a sack roots purse. Have you ever heard of that? I didn't even know that was a thing. The purse that I'm cleaning out now, they got that from Kohl's, and it was like only 20 bucks. This other one, yeah, it was kind of expensive. So yeah, I found some things in there. That was a little thing from my aunt who passed away in October. Yeah, and this is the lipstick looking. It's like a shaver thing for, you know, those chin hairs. Anyway, I'll link that down below too. And there were 2 measuring tapes in my purse. I don't need 2 of them. So yeah, just sorting all the garbage. Most of those receipts went in the garbage, and then I always keep like a nail clipper in my purse. I get terrible hangnails, and I'm going to not clean out my wallet. Actually, I ended up finding a wallet at Goodwill on another day for like $3, so I did that. But in the meantime, just cleaning out the rest of the purse, finding some more crap in there. Okay, so this is the Sack Roots purse that I got off of Amazon. Like I told you, the link down will be down below. Yeah, it was $75. A little more than I'd like to spend, but hey, it's my birthday. I thought I'd treat myself, and you could see that. I don't know if you could see that on camera, but the print was the same, and the one on the old purse is dirty. So this is a little bit different. They're both crossbody, but it doesn't have the pocket in the front. It has this tiny pocket in the back. I barely can fit my hand in there, so I'm disappointed about that. But I could put my keys in there because I don't know about you. I always lose the keys in the bottom of my purse, so I need to put them on the side pocket so I can grab them real easily. This has a humongous pocket in the back because it flops over the front with a magnetic close. There's like enough room in there to put like a change of clothes in there. Not really, but it's pretty big. And I don't even end up putting anything in there right now. I'm not sure what to put in that huge. Like I said, it goes all the way down the back, and the flap goes and does a magnet close in the front. And it has a bunch of pockets, in the same pockets as the other purse in the inside of the purse. And the blue part is like a canvas, and then the bottom has a leather bottom. So yeah, and yeah. Okay, so the little seed packet was from my aunt's memorial service, and my sister went to Connecticut to it in June. I was not able to go with her. Yeah. Anyway, I put it right up here on the wall unit, and I bought one of those willow tree angels to put with it. There's another angel there for my mom and one for Calvin, and I bought this little willow tree box for my sister when she passed away 5 years ago. Yeah. Anyway, enough about that. I am going to go ahead and clean my kitchen desk here in a minute. You saw how messy that was. Just showing you the bottom of the purse. It is leather, not canvas like the rest of the purse, so it's more durable. So I think I'm gonna really like this purse. Hey, don't forget, Tiny Tidy Tuesday is a collab put together by Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home, and us and a bunch of other ladies are here to motivate you to get something clean, tidy, decluttered, whatever you need to do. And when you're done watching my video, you're going to want to click the playlist down below in the description and watch everyone else's video. Okay, cleaning the kitchen desk is another thing I procrastinate, but if you've been watching me for many years, you know that I really come a long way on this. The paperwork thing has gotten better, but still needs done. I usually only tend to it once a week, but the stuff coming in is way less because, you know, I do the digital online bills and all that kind of stuff. That has reduced it a lot. So let's clean up this mess. This is a multi-use station here. So it is my coffee station and where I keep my paperwork, and I keep a few self-care things in this little basket. And this is one of those detangler brushes. I bought it for the girls when they come over because their hair gets so tangly in the pool because their hair is so long and thick, especially Abby's. Anyway, in case you were wondering if those really do work, they do. They work really well. So I bought Alyssa one for her birthday, and so I bought another one so we can have it here at the house when they come over. And that wallpaper that you saw on the desk was for the wall unit, and I started doing that, and I need to finish that. It's another procrastination test that doesn't get done in this video, but maybe I'll show that in another video. So basically, I'm just getting rid of the junk. Usually, I get rid of it when it comes in the house, but I don't know. Here recently, it didn't happen. So I'm sorting the junk, and then I'm sorting what needs to be filed. I actually don't end up filing it in this video because I can procrastinate it again if I want to, because I can. This Cass from Clutterbug says I can too. She says, don't worry about sorting it into a zillion little categories. Just put it in a 2023 bin, which is that little file cabinet or cabinet box thing. And shove it in there. At the end of the year, I'll go through it and throw away what I don't need, keep the rest for what I do need in taxes, and put it away in a strategic place, sort of, kind of. And this is my little basket of personal use stuff. I have a hairbrush in there, lotion, a nail file, a pumice stone, and a couple other things that I keep on my desk so I can just grab it when I'm sitting on the couch and do my nails or whatever, and I don't have to go all the way back into the bedroom to get what I need. Anyway, I just like having it right there on my kitchen desk so it's available. And I also keep a package of the Burt's Bees facial wipes in there. I have super oily skin, and throughout the day I need to wipe my face because the grease gets on my glasses, and then I gotta clean my glasses. And actually there's the little lens wipes are in there too. I have a whole huge box. There you go, wiping my face. Oh, that was because I put eye drops in my eye. I was wondering where those eye drops were, and guess what? They were in the little self-care bin. So there's that. Okay, so I am just putting this little bag of coffee away. I don't need 2 things of coffee out. I recently bought this caribou coffee. It is really delicious, actually. And I'm just gonna get a few coffee beans and put it in this little teacup in the tiered tray. I'm looking for some maybe little decorations. I recently bought some. I posted it on Instagram, and that was a scam. I thought it was like little wooden pieces, and when I got it, it wasn't. It was foam board with something printed on it. Anyway, Amazon refunded. Read your descriptions and the reviews and stuff. And I recently bought this little container here for the filters. I also got that off of Amazon, and I like that. I think that's pretty cute. I probably should go on Etsy and see if they have something there. Actually, a subscriber, Melissa, do you have something for a coffee station? She has a little Etsy shop. She sent me some stuff for a tiered trade before. If you're watching, Melissa, contact me and let me know if you have anything like that on your Etsy shop. I don't remember the link. You have to send it to me. Okay, so for my third procrastination task or anti-procrastination task, whatever, things I've not been doing and putting off, how long have I been talking about changing the battery in this Shark what's it called? Stick vacuum. Cordless vacuum. Yes, I'm going to replace that because the battery lasts about 5 minutes. Yeah. Anyway, so I'm finally getting to that, and I really like this handy dandy screwdriver thing that I got. It has multiple screwdriver thingamajiggies. I'm for a loss for words today. Anyway, I do not know where I got it. If I can find one like it on Amazon, I will put a link down below. I believe my son gave that to me many, many years ago, but I keep it in my kitchen desk, and it's very handy. It has the Phillips head and then the regular screwdriver and all different sizes, and yay, vacuum cleaner is going to work for a little longer and keep a charge, and I can vacuum more than one room for 5 minutes. There you go. Okay, and then I'm going to do a quick clean, but before I do that, I am going to put on some music. I've been listening to Colby Callet lately. Let me know in the comments below who is your favorite artist to listen to. But at that moment, hubby came in and he decided, like I told you, he's on staycation, so he wanted to do some budgeting, so we did that. And then now I'm cleaning up the family room and just doing a real quick clean of the family room. And the cats were both sitting on the windowsill. I think they saw a lizard. Been lots of rain lately. We had to empty the pool like 3 times, and now it's hot and gross and disgusting and no rain. It was beautiful in July, and anyway, so there's that. So I'm just finishing up the family room and doing a little quick clean. I say empty the pool. I think you guys maybe know what I meant, but anyway, in case you don't, I don't mean empty the pool. We just had to drain some of the water, a couple inches of water out of the pool because 3 different days, because there was so much rain anyhow. That's what I meant by that. I swear I often say stuff like that, and then I listen back. I'm like, wait a minute. They probably don't know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm talking about, but you may not. See hubby here in the corner there coming in with his plate of food, and then he realized I was filming. Anyway, now he's napping, and I'm going to put my headphones on. I love these headphones that hubby bought me for Christmas, and I use those when I'm listening to music and cleaning, and I'm going to sit here and have my coffee and edit this video. And remember, guys, one drawer, one cabinet, one closet at a time. We can get it done together. Until next time, guys, enjoy your day.